Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today I am gonna be recreating Kiara Advani's inspired makeup look that she wore for the Lokmat Award. After recreating this look, I realized it's such a pretty makeup look. It's got dewy skin, cold rimmed eyes, and yeah, if you would like to see how I created this, then just keep on watching. To start off the makeup, I'm gonna moisturize, and for that I'm taking simple replenishing rich moisturizer and applying that all over my face and neck. To prime my face, I'm taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in the shade Universal Sheer and applying that onto the inner cheeks, nose, forehead and chin, and then blending using the fingers. This step is gonna blur the texture and provide smooth canvas for the makeup. Next, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base in the shade Golden Tint. I took 3 pumps and then warming it up and then applying it all over my face. This product gives a really natural looking glow to the face. Her skin was looking really healthy and glowy, so I thought of adding this product underneath would give us the healthy skin look. For foundation, I'm taking the Color Bar 24-hour weightless liquid foundation. I'm in the shade FW 6.4. I'm taking 2 pumps of that, and then I am gonna apply the foundation using the Mars Cosmetics sponge. I'm using the butt of the sponge to apply the foundation onto my face. I chose this foundation because it gives good coverage with slightly dewy finish, and that's what we need in this look. Once I'm done applying the foundation, I'm gonna pick up the excess foundation using the curved side of the blender. This is the clean side and this is the side from which I picked the excess foundation. You can see how much product it picked. So definitely do this step if you want more natural finish out of your foundation. Next, using these 2 concealers, first I'm applying the Inside Concealer in the shade MNY20. To highlight, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, applying it underneath the eyes, forehead, bridge of the nose and chin. Then with the help of the same sponge, I am blending the concealer into my skin. Next, taking the Mars Loose Powder in the shade Banana, picking it up, blending it on the back of my hand and then applying it underneath the eyes. I'm baking my under eyes using this powder, also applying it on top of the eyelid and leaving the rest of the face as it is. For brows, I'm taking the Sugar Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil in the shade 02, and first I am brushing my eyebrows using the spoolie side. Then I'm going to fill the eyebrows using the product side. I already have thick brows. I'm just filling the gaps of the brows. Then using the spoolie once again to distribute the product onto the brow evenly. To set my brows, I'm taking the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara and I'm using the brow side of the product and brushing my eyebrows in upward motion. This step just makes the eyebrow look very polished and neat. Then with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm dusting away the powder that was sitting underneath my eyes and on top of the lid. Next, I'm taking the Blue Heaven Kiss and Blush in the shade Muted Peach, and I am not gonna apply this onto the highest points of my cheeks that I usually do. Instead, I am applying it onto the apples of my cheeks. I made a mistake here. I totally forgot to apply the blush and I moved on to the powder. But if you're following this look, then first apply all the cream products and then move on to the powders. Next, taking the Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter Palette in the shade 05, and I'm taking mixture of these 2 shades and applying it onto the highest points of my cheeks. And here I'm blending and diffusing the edges of this highlighter into my skin. Let's move on to the eye makeup now. This is how her eye makeup looks. Next, taking the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal and I am applying it onto my eyelid very close to the lash line. Then with the help of a flat synthetic brush, I am blending the edges of that kohl so that it looks something like this. Next, I am taking the Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 and I am taking that dark brown shade and applying that onto the edge of that black kohl. Next, taking this light brown shade from the palette and I am applying that onto the edge of that dark brown shade that we just applied. This shade is going to diffuse the harsh edge of that dark brown color and also add gradient to the look. Because of blending, all the colors has faded, so here I am redoing all the steps just so I can get the vibrancy that I need. First applying the kajal, applying the dark brown eyeshadow, and then applying the lightest brown shade. For lower lash line, first I'm applying the same kohl pencil onto my lower and upper waterline. Also applying it slightly outside the waterline. And then I'm going to blend the edges of that kajal using the same synthetic brush. Again taking the same dark brown eyeshadow and applying that onto the edge of that kohl pencil to blur the edges of the kohl. Then taking the lightest brown shade onto a pencil brush and applying that onto the edge of that dark brown shade that we just used. And here I am redoing all the steps to intensify the colors. So first applying the kohl pencil onto the waterline and lower lash line. Then using the dark brown shade. And then using the lightest shade. Here I am applying the loose powder onto the edge of the eye makeup. This step will clean the look a bit. Let's move on to the lashes and for that I am taking the Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black and I am applying that onto my upper lashes. This mascara has fibers to it which adds volume as well as length to the eyes. Also applying it onto my bottom lashes. Kiara was not wearing any falsies, so I'm gonna skip falsies for this look. And here I'm dusting off the powder that we used to clean the look. Using the same highlighter to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. For lips, first I'm taking the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut and I'm lining my lips using this. I'm adding these lines onto my lips just to contour it a bit. For lipstick, I'm taking the Alatin Liquid Lip Color in the shade Tawny Wood and I'm applying it all over the lips. To set my makeup in place, I'm using the Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer and I'm spraying it all over my face, avoiding the eyes. This is a dewy finish setting spray, so it will add a lot of dewiness to the skin. And here I'm using a fan to dry my setting spray quickly. To finish the look, I'm gonna apply this Swiss Beauty Gloss Me lip gloss. It's a clear gloss all over my lips. And that's the finished look, you guys. I really like how soft but defined this makeup look is. Let me know which celebrity look I should recreate next. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.